In the early 1950s, cats in a quiet Japanese fishing town began convulsing and leaping into the sea, their bodies racked by unseen poison. A chemical factory on the shores of Minamata Bay had been discharging mercury-laden wastewater into the ocean for decades, unnoticed and unchallenged. Locals called the condition neko odori-byo, or cat dancing disease, as the animals spun in circles and collapsed in convulsions, their movements a silent warning. On May 1st, 1956, a 5-year-old girl was admitted to the Chisso Corporation hospital with severe neurological symptoms, marking the first official recognition of the disease. For years, the fishing communities of Minamata had relied on the sea for sustenance, unaware that the very fish they consumed were accumulating toxic mercury from the factory's waste. In October 1959, Dr. Hajime Hosokawa, the director of Chisso's hospital, secretly confirmed that factory effluent was directly responsible for the disease through experiments on cats. Despite this evidence, Chisso ordered all experiments halted, classified the results, and forbade Dr. Hosokawa from publishing his findings, burying the truth for years to come. By the time the government officially confirmed Chisso's responsibility in 1968, more than 2,000 people had been certified as victims, with over 1,700 of them losing their lives. In 1979, 2 Chisso executives were convicted of professional negligence, marking a rare legal reckoning for corporate environmental harm in Japan. The disaster led to the creation of Japan's Basic Law for Environmental Pollution Control in 1967. Shaping international standards for industrial safety and environmental justice. Dr. Hosokawa did not reveal the full truth until his deathbed in 1970, testifying that the factory's waste had poisoned the bay and the people who lived along its shores. The Minamata disaster exposed the dangers of unchecked industrial pollution, the power of corporations to suppress evidence, and the resilience of communities in the face of environmental injustice. Today, a memorial stands in Minamata, honoring the victims and the animals that first warned of the poison lurking in the water. The story of Minamata remains a stark reminder of the cost of ignoring science, the value of transparency, and the enduring impact of industrial harm on human lives and ecosystems. That was this story, here on Errata. If you enjoy forgotten history told accuracy first, please subscribe to the channel and give this video a like, and we will keep bringing the past back to light.